Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a photo's background using HitPaw Photo Artificial Intelligence, HitPaw Photo AI, that's the name of the software. In order to get this software, all you need to do is go to google.com and type HitPaw Photo Enhancer. The first result, click on it and click try it for free. It's going to download an exe file onto your computer, download and install it onto your computer, and after that you're going to get this screen with 4 different options. You can enhance your images, you can generate images using artificial intelligence, you can remove the background of your images, or object removal as well, where you remove certain objects, unwanted objects in your images. We're going to, in this video, use the remove background option and see how it works. We're going to try a couple of different images. Let me go ahead and show you what images we're going to try. So the first image we'll try is this. So this is an easier image, and the second image we'll be trying is this, which is slightly more difficult. There are more details to this image. So let's go ahead and try and see how it works. So we'll click start remove, and then it gives us an option to choose the image. So this is the image that we have chosen. Click continue trial. It's going to take a few moments. It's currently loading. By the way, this software uses artificial intelligence to add details, remove backgrounds, enhance images, for a lot of different stuff. It uses AI. So currently AI is doing its magic. The speed of this depends on a few things: your system speed, your internet speed, and the type of image that you're uploading. So consider those options. Let's just wait for it to complete and come back and see how it looks. Okay, it's already done. So this is the image that we had previously, and this is the image that it has given us after removing the background. I think it has done a pretty good job, because you guys can see that there is very less detail that it has missed. It has missed a few slight detail here. If you look at these eyelashes, let's zoom it in, and I have the brush here. So I can use the brush and I can either remove or add. So if I add stuff here, you see, I can add details to it. So this is the first image. Let's add another image. Continue trial, and we're going to try the second image. Let's just wait for it to complete and then come back and see how the final image looks like. Okay, this is how the final image looks like. Ignore this. This is their watermark. They add watermarks because they want you to pay. But it has removed the background. I know that there are some detail that it's missing here. You guys can see there's this, I don't know what this is, but this lady is holding something in her hand and it has missed those details. So we're going to use the brush tool to add those details here. We'll go slow, and there we go. We can further refine it, by spending a little more time and being careful with it. This is how the image looks like. Let's zoom it in and see. This is how it looks like right now. When I try to export this image, this is a paid tool, so it's going to ask you to pay money, which I'm not going to do in my case. But if you want to, you can go ahead and buy a subscription, and you can utilize this tool, do it with unlimited images. So that's how you use the HitPaw Photo AI to remove background of your images. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, bye.